Ken Bianco Jr. and welcome to TrainWorldTV. Today we're going to talk about this really unique train that just came in and we're starting to ship. It's the Polar Express handcar for O-scale made by Lionel. And this is really unique, different. This is first time for Polar Express done for a handcar, something really unique, different. Now, Lionel made these handcars that were kind of like a wind-up toy back in the 1930s. I believe they made a Disney, they made an Easter egg, and then they also made a Santa, I believe. So really in the 1930s, 40s, they made these unique hand wind-up toys. So this is kind of like a throwback and a retro classic. This is Polar Express inspired, so you see Tom Hanks and you see the kid, so really unique, different, and you see Polar Express. This is for the 20th anniversary handcar. You can see this little gold-plated emblem here. I'm not sure if it's gold-plated, but it's gold. But really unique, different. Now, this is a wind-up. It's not electric, but it is a wind-up. As I said, it's a throwback, so it does have the key. You wind it up, and it goes around your track. So something really neat, unique, different, and kind of a collector's item if you think about it. So make sure you head to TrainWorld.com for all your Polar Express items and smash that bell notification down below so you never miss a video. We're going to show this up close and personal on our layout, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and head to TrainWorld.com.